Okay, so this is the quick review for graphing inequalities. All right, so remember, to graph the equation of a line or an inequality, you got to think y equals mx plus b. If we know the slope and the y-intercept, we can graph it. So let's put the inequality into that form. First thing I want to do is I want to move the 3x. I'll add a negative 3x to both sides. And so we have negative 2y less than or equal to negative 3x plus 8. Okay, and so I've got to move that negative 2, so I'll divide each term by negative 2. Don't forget that whenever you multiply or divide an inequality by a negative quantity, you have to flip, switch, reverse, whatever you call it, your inequality symbol. All right, so y greater than or equal to 3/2 x minus 4. Okay, ready to graph. Most of the hard work is done. Rest is easy. Now remember, whenever graphing any line, inequality or not, first thing you want to do is you want to do the y-intercept. All right, so we'll graph that first, point at negative 4. Next thing I want to do is I want to look at my slope. Remember, the top is the vertical change, so positive is up, so that's a positive 3, we're going to go up. The bottom is the horizontal change, positive is right. And so from the point of 4, we're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 spots, right? Not up to the number 3. And we're going to go to the right 2 spots. And there's our second point. Now, let me remind you with an inequality, because the equal to part is the function itself, we're going to draw a solid line. If it would have been just less than, or I'm sorry, just greater than, I would have drawn a dotted line to indicate that the points of the line are not part of the solution. So that's if you have a greater than or if you have a less than. You don't have the equal to part. Remember, the line is the equal to part. Well, in this one, we do have the equal to part, so we're going to draw a solid line through the 2 points. And again, I kind of missed them, but you get the idea. Okay, and remember now we have to shade aside. And, textbook way is to choose a test point, put it into the function, see if it makes the inequality true. If it does, then the side where the test point is where you shade. If the test point was false, then you shade the opposite side. But honestly, it's a whole lot easier than that, right? Just look at your inequality symbol. It's a greater than. Where are the greater than values? They're above. Where are the less than values? They're below. We're going to be shading above. That's all you need to do. Going to shade above the line. Voila, there it is. And we've graphed the inequality.